to one and all. Welcome to Venkatesham Chemistry YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about applications of first order reaction. In that applications of first order reaction, first one is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide is one. Generally, this decomposition of hydrogen peroxide comes under the first order kinetics. And I was taking that decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, it produces the H2O and half mole of O2. And initial concentration of hydrogen peroxide is A moles per liter, and product these two are 0 and 0 at a particular time t minutes, and it's a change in the concentration or this H2O and half moles of O2 is that is in we'll take this is a x by 2, this one will become as a x, and this is a x by 2, and this is also x, and the leftover concentration directly I was written as a minus x concentration. The overall progress of the reaction was determined by titrating this hydrogen peroxide with KMnO4 solution. So the progress of the reaction is determined by titrating it with the KMnO4 solution. Volume of KMnO4 solution. KMnO4 solution. So volume of KMnO4 solution here two are there. There is an V0 initial volume of KMnO4 solution and a VT. So that is at a particular time KMnO4 solution. So generally this V0 is directly proportional to the initial concentration of hydrogen peroxide, and at a particular time volume of KMnO4 solution VT is directly proportional to the year A minus X, right? So that we'll write its first order rate constant K is equals to, that is 2.303 divided by T here log, so here A by A minus X. So generally this A by A minus X, no, so that I can write this is in instead of A we can write down the V0, A minus X we can write down the here VT. Why? Because this estimation can be done in terms of its volume of KMnO4 solution. That's the reason definitely this A should be replaced with it's a volume of KMnO4 solution V0 and it's a VT, so that I can write this rate constant K is equals to, that is a 2.303 by T. This is a log A is nothing but that is a V0 divided by this is a VT mark. So this is a rate constant equation for the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. And the second application is decomposition of ammonium nitrate, and this decomposition of ammonium nitrate also comes under the first order kinetics, and ammonium nitrate will be decomposed as a water and a nitrogen gas, right? So at a particular time t equals to 0, initial concentration of ammonium nitrate is a moles per liter, and this one is a product 0 and 0, and if we take this nitrogen gas is this is going to be Ex is a change in the concentration, this will become as a 2x, and it will become as a minus X. So particularly X we will write down, then leftover thing is at a particular time, and A minus X is a concentration, right? At a time t is equals to infinity, infinite time, at a time infinite time, so this ammonium nitrate concentration will become A minus A, that equals to 0, and it will become as a 2A, and this one will become as a, right? So that is simply a 2A initial concentrations, and this will become A as well as this is a. By measuring this progress of the reaction can be done by measuring the volume of nitrogen gas formed during the decomposition of ammonium nitrate, right? Generally this volume of nitrogen gas V0 is directly proportional to the, so our V infinity volume of the nitrogen gas at infinite time V infinity is directly proportional to A, whereas in the case of this is in VT is directly proportional to the, this is Ex. From this we'll write there is an at infinite time volume of nitrogen gas is directly proportional to A, and the volume of this nitrogen gas at a time that is an Ex, right? So and this decomposition of A minus x concentration. I can write this A minus x is directly proportional to the A is nothing but this is a V infinity, and x is nothing but that is in a Vt, right? So why? Because I have written this A minus x, the first order rate constant, A by A minus x is there. A I can write on the V infinity, A minus x I want, so that A minus x is directly proportional to A is so that is in a V infinity, x is nothing but this is in a Vt, so that I can write here rate constant k is equals to that is a 2.303 divided by there it is a t log this is a by A minus x is a simple first order rate constant. If you substitute this A and A minus x values in terms of its volume of nitrogen, and I can write this is a rate constant k is equals to 2.303 divided by this is a log A is there. A is nothing but I can write this is a V infinity volume of nitrogen gas at infinite time, and the next one is a minus x. A minus x I can write down as a this is a V infinite minus this is a Vt. So this is a simple rate constant for a decomposition of ammonium nitrite.